3-ingredient lemon loaf. This is with the Greek yogurt. 1 lemon. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven and bake it. Oh, yum. Oh my goodness. Okay, now mine didn't rise as high because mine didn't rise really high because my loaf pan is wider. But wow, that still looks really good. Okay, so I have my leftover glaze here. Wow. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. Okay, so it's okay. Somebody's already been digging into it, so I guess somebody likes it.
I wish it was me, but I just got home.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Okay.
What?
This your piece here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh, a little piece of it didn't come off with the knife.
Oh no, now it's defective. You'll have to get another one. Lemon loaf.
Mmm.
Mmm. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up?
That's really good.
It's 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients.
Just 3.
Wow. Is love one of the ingredients?
No, that may make it 4.